Hey, my little angels, welcome in. Come in, everyone, come in. You are here for the day now because the snow has started and we are getting hit with one heck of a storm today and an even bigger one tomorrow. So you're staying over. So come on in and make yourselves comfy. We did bring down the hammocks just in case people had to stay. So we've got one by the kitchen, one over there, over the heater vent, one right here beside us, and one over by Bella's tree. Of course. And you guys know, 3 comfortably, 4 if you're friendly. The big rocking chair is right over by the kitchen door. 2 of you can fit there. Just pop the feet up. Okay. We've got the couch. I've turned the tub chairs around and we've taken all the hardback chairs and kind of put them in a semicircle because today's a fun video, guys. It's going to be fun. So make yourselves comfortable. Okay. Now for beverages, for the chilled beverage today, I've pretty much just emptied out the fridge. So we've got orange juice, pineapple juice, cranberry juice, all of which are sugar-free. We also have various kinds of milk. I have non-dairy, non-lactose, you name it, we have it. We also have Coke Zero, 7-Up Zero. I have regular Pepsi and ginger ale. We have ginger ale as well. So help yourselves to that, you guys. And for warm beverages today, we've done hot chocolate bar again. You guys love my hot chocolate bars. So we have white hot chocolate, we have milk hot chocolate, 2 kinds of each because both, we have regular with milk, and we have non-dairy and a vegan version. So everyone can participate. I've got vegan marshmallows. We have chocolate chips. These are all non-lactose as well. I also have sugar-free options if you need them. Cinnamon sticks. I love cinnamon and chocolate together. And candy canes still. We have some left over, and mint is nice as well. So please help yourselves, guys. And whipped cream. Of course I have whipped cream. And Cool Whip, the non-dairy one as well. Of course. We have special refreshments, but I'll show you those in a bit. And I see we have some new little angels. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you so much for joining us on this snowy day. This is just what fell since yesterday. Thank you so much. It's actually not that cold though. But thank you so much for being here. Please give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Sharing is caring. You can silently watch. That's fine with me. I'm happy for the company. I'm happy to see you. But if you're comfortable commenting, bring them. We love the comments on this channel. I love to watch all of my little angels interact with each other. I love to interact with you. I like to know what you're thinking, what you're feeling, your ideas, your suggestions, your questions. I love all of it. I really do, because that makes us connect. When we connect, we take this great big world and go and make it smaller. And that's a good thing. It's a very, very good thing, guys. And please hit that subscribe button below. I'm wearing my Gemini bracelet today. See? I have my Gemini necklace on as well, but I can't. But I'm glad you guys are here. Please hit that subscribe. And hello, 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 hello to all my returning little angels. I love you guys so much. I'm so, so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for always being here. And for those of you that were here before, and my new little angels, I'm going to link the video below. I did an unboxing of a blind date with a book from an Etsy shop, Bits and Pieces of Art. They are incredible. I'm going to show you this. You can scan this. I'm going to hold it still. I don't know if that will work, but if not, you can go to Bits and Pieces of Art on Etsy. And this is not sponsored, okay? But they did send me a gift, but it's a gift. But they also sent a gift for you guys. You guys will get a 20% off your order with Anti-Angel 20. So AUNTIEANGEL 20 to get 20% off. And I will link that as well. Wait till you see what they sent me. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at this. Kim's Daily Reminders. Let's read them together. This is beautiful, and it's got the plastic lid like I like. I love this. I choose to be happy, be the best version of you, be yourself. I am strong and courageous. You are doing great. Worry less. I am unique. I am worthy. God loves you. I am strong. Count your blessings. Don't stop. Positivity is a choice. Trust the process. Hey, you matter. Today or never. Love yourself. Radiate positivity. I am strong. I am enough. Let go of worry. Never give up. I am loved. You are loved. Okay? I love this. Gina, thank you so much for giving me this. It was so kind of you. So not necessary, but I love this. Love this so much. Thank you. And it's just wonderful. It's such a kind thing. But guys, you got to go check out their Etsy shop. They're artists. Okay, they make everything by hand. The tote bag that I had, that's so beautiful. They also do portraits, pet portraits, artwork. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. So thank you again. Now, this video is inspired by and dedicated to Roger and Lorri Latte. They did the Crumbl cookie taste testing. So we went all the way to Mississauga to get some Crumbl cookies this morning. And we ended up with, price is very different here, guys, very different. We got 6 mini cookies and 1 large, and it was $31. But we're going to try them. We're going to do a taste test. And I said we were inspired by their video. We have company coming. Excusez-moi. Uncle Angel is here.
Hi, everyone.
We're going to do, because we're inspired by Lorri and Roger. They did a taste test together, so we're going to do it too. So I've told them what we paid. My American friends are like shocked.
C is for
cookie, and cookie is for me. Me is for cookie. It's what I like to eat.
She knows more than I do.
So here's the box we got, a small box, because we just bought the 6.
It's upside down or backwards.
No, because you're seeing it in the camera.
Okay.
See? It's right way. Okay. Now, when you go in, it was interesting. We've never been there before. Everybody yelled, hello, welcome to Crumbl. And we're like, oh, hello, how are you? But you order off a machine, and it's cashless. That part got me a little. And then you can tip, and I automatically tip, always. But then I'm like, why am I tipping? I'm doing all the work. But then they explained the cookies to us. So we chose some cookies together. So I don't know.
Where's my face?
Where's your face?
Where's my face?
So
where's my face?
This one is a chocolate lava, chocolate
They
chip.
can't see it.
Okay.
No, they can't see
Oh, chocolate chip,
it. Here, hang on.
macadamia nut, the strawberry frosted chocolate cookie, a pink sugar cookie, and Valentine confetti. So we're going to try a piece of each. And then we treated ourselves and bought 1 large. Now this on its own, guys, was $6.99. It's a big old cupcake,
Can I
basically.
help?
Yeah, here, there. This is the strawberry one.
Maybe just,
Yeah.
let's see if the box opens.
It probably does. But it has the rose piped on top in the strawberry frosting. I can't wait to try that. And it's a double layer too. There we go. So it's like a mini cake, really.
Oops, it fell on the floor. Just kidding.
I'll eat it.
Here's candy.
I'll fight her. All right. Would you like to, we're going to be sharing these cookies to try each. And
Not
you
sharing
gotta,
mine.
You gotta, yes you are.
It's mine.
I get a bite.
Mine's. Joey doesn't share.
You're not Joey.
No, I'm not. He's probably got more.
But we're going to give it a score out of 5. So which one would you like to start? I'm going to let you choose.
Well, I'm going to pick mine.
Feel free. Which one?
Macadamia nut.
Macadamia nut. Go ahead. And put it back because we're going to be eating 6 cookies. Taste testing. All of them.
All?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We have to tell them.
She doesn't invite me for the beer tasting. I never get the beer. Or the whiskey.
That's a good cookie. It's a good cookie.
It's a good cookie.
I give it like a 3.5. It's a good cookie.
It's crunchy. Maybe a titch dry from cookies that you make.
True.
She makes excellent cookies.
Okay, we're gonna try the chocolate lava cookie. Oh, you can see the lava inside. Can you guys see that? Can you see that?
Yeah. Fell apart.
Okay. I'm going to tell you something about chocolate lava cakes and chocolate lava cookies. They're just underbaked. That's all you get. You're getting a little bit of the raw dough in the middle. That is so chocolatey. I find that very, very chocolatey. Without being over the top sweet, I would give that a solid 4.25.
I would have gone 4. Just hasn't knocked my socks off yet.
Okay. Let's try a frosted cookie.
Now, is that what they called it?
This is a pink sugar cookie.
Oh, you like sugar cookies.
I love sugar cookies and I love frosting. So
Win-win.
I could eat a few of those.
It's a very good cookie.
That's a really good cookie.
And what's surprising is it's heavy. Like the others were a little bit lighter. This has a bit more weight, but it's not dense.
And that frosting is so good.
Very
and that's
good.
a real sugar cookie, guys. But that one's going on the 5. I'm giving that a 5
Oh, it's hard for me to give a 5, but it's the best of the lot so far.
so far. Okay. This, I think, is the chocolate chip.
That's mine.
Shut up.
It's mine. She ate it first. And she dropped it. Wastage. Oh my God. Yes, I know the cat's here. She's going to try to steal something.
It's a good chocolate chip cookie. I make better.
She does.
3.5. I'm going to
For
be
the
honest.
price, I give it a 3.
There is that. Because at the end, we're going to decide if it's worth the drive and if it was worth the cost. Don't do it, Bella. She knows we're busy. She's on the table. So this is the Valentine sprinkle donut. Valentine confetti donut. Not donut. It's not a donut. It's a cookie.
I gotta get Bella. I'll get Bella. Good girl.
Okay. When I first bit into it, I'm like, that's 3. But then you get that butteriness, and there's almost a strawberry flavor, almost, but that could be from the frosting to the one beside it. But the butteriness brought it up to about a 3.75 to me.
Okay, I give it a 3 again. It wasn't a while. But I just did, when baby Angel was little, and she'd take a bite of a donut, and then I'd take a bite, I'd always Batman it. You know,
Oh, did you Batman it?
Batman.
But seriously, it got to the point, my poor baby, he'd ask for a bite of something and it would be no Batman, no donut, no daddy bites, no, and it was like a whole list of things. I was like, the poor child's paranoid.
But I got her good once because I said, what about a black hole?
Yeah.
And she's like, what's that? You know, that's where you eat the whole thing.
Now, this is the chocolate strawberry. And look at the ganache, the icing on the top. And it's the frosting. Frost anything, okay?
Does it smell funny?
No! When
Inside
we
joke.
first got
Okay.
together, I said to him, and this was before we really knew each other's sense of humors. And
We were going to meet your parents.
we
for
were
the
going to
first
meet my
time.
parents for the first time. And then we got an ice cream cone. And I said, ooh, does this smell funny? And he went to smell it and I went, and he goes, you have no idea what you've unleashed. And we've been doing stuff like that ever since. Oh my gosh. That's incredible. That frosting is so strawberry. It's almost like crushed I don't see any, but it's like they crush strawberries and put them on. That's the best of the
Delicious.
lot, I would say. I would give that a 5 out of 5. What about you?
Again, I've had yours, so I can't give it a 5. I will do a 4.5.
Okay.
But the frosted cookies, we got two out of the 6 are in the box. The frosted are the most wow.
Yeah, I agree with that one for sure. All right, now we have our wooden forks.
That was supplied by Crumbl.
We had to ask for them. And we're going to try.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it. The strawberry cakey one. Now, our Crumbl, I don't know about you guys, our Crumbl has now started, our Crumbl, it's the first time I've been there. You're not using my fork.
I don't need a fork.
No. They are now doing a big cake. And it was a confetti cake, which had the naked sides like this, which annoys the hell out of me because I want icing everywhere. And it was $24.99. So I'm gonna just take the top layer here. Here's mine.
All right. It's a double decker. You should eat both decks.
True. I could eat that all day, every day. And twice on Sundays.
Very fresh. Like it was
Super.
Almost, it tastes like it was just made 10 minutes ago.
It's so
It is
soft,
really good.
but springy, like not underdone. But it's a true sponge cake. And that frosting is just, and look at it, it's a pretty rose. And guys, those roses aren't hard to do if you're ever worried. You buy the right tip and you just go in a circle. That's all you have to do.
Me, I just go to the right bake shop. Very easy.
So guys, there you go. So like I said, we want to thank Gina and her daughter from Bits and Pieces of Art on Etsy. And we're telling you the Crumbl. So now's the big question, hun. Was it worth the 45-minute drive?
For the novelty, yes. Will I do it again? Probably no. If I'm in the area, I will definitely stop by. But
I would go for a birthday or something because that size cake would be perfect for us for a birthday celebration. Each.
one each.
Yeah. Well, they don't do gluten-free
Why not get
either.
a cake?
Okay, fine.
Like we go get a cake for a price at the church. Sorry.
Blah, blah, blah. But did you know you can buy the empty boxes for $4 for cookie? And cookie is for me. Me is for cookie. It's what I like to eat. So thank you, Uncle Angel, for joining us.
You're welcome.
And thank you, guys. And remember, I love you. I value you. I honor you. I pray for you. And I am so glad that each and every one of you was born.
Bye for now.